How to use or rotate ruler in OneNote. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use or rotate ruler in OneNote. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application OneNote in your laptop or PC. Alright, so after you open the OneNote with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, to add or use the ruler in OneNote, you'll have to just go the option draw just at the top left corner. So simply click on this draw option. Alright, so from the draw option on the middle you will get options like ruler, so you'll have to go that ruler icon, so simply click on it. Alright, so after you click on that, you'll be able to use the ruler in OneNote. So from here, to rotate this ruler, you'll have to just use your mouse or your touchpad. So from there, you can easily rotate your ruler by using your mouse wheel, or you can also do it with your two fingers. So from here, you can easily rotate your ruler in OneNote. So for that, you'll have to just use your mouse wheel, or you can also use your two finger on touchpad. So this is the easiest and simplest method to use or rotate the ruler in OneNote. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.